I'll be repotting my Anthurium Delannayi today. I'm trying a new little video format. Right there is some fir bark and some perlite. It is unfortunately Miracle Grow perlite and sphagnum moss. It was given to me free, and that's still the best price, so I'm going to be using it up for the less sensitive host plants in the meantime. But I just mixed up about equal parts of all three together, and of course, you gotta have the cat approve of your work. And right here, I'm just taking it out of its pot. I kind of had to massage it out gently. It was pretty well no soil left at all. It was just large chunks of bark. So the roots were getting a little bound up, kind of comparing the old and new mix there. So I just set it in and just start slowly tapping it as I fill it. That way the soil fills up all the nooks and crannies around the roots. And of course, you always got to end with some watering.